In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV Premium costs and what it includes. As of now, YouTube TV's base subscription plan starts at $72.99 per month, which provides access to live TV, on-demand content, and unlimited cloud DVR storage. However, some users may wonder if there's a premium tier within YouTube TV. While YouTube TV itself doesn't have a separate premium plan, it does offer optional add-ons like unlimited screens for $25 a month or Sports Plus for $16 a month, which can increase the total cost depending on your needs. It's important to note that YouTube TV is different from YouTube Premium, which is a separate service focused on ad-free viewing of YouTube videos, offline downloads, and background play for $13.99 per month. If you're looking for the best value, consider whether these add-ons align with your viewing habits before subscribing, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost of YouTube TV and its optional features, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.